Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tina and what a great day. I am getting to craft and organize things and put things away and just spend some real time connecting in my craft room, and it always inspires me for more projects. It also causes something that I like to call good intentions in our craft room. And so I've made a bunch of notes and I plan on doing a series in November about how good intentions can get us in trouble. So we'll have to, you'll have to join me for that. All right. We are here for our Halloween 2024 Craft Along series. These Craft Along kits all went out, all the supplies. This is project 5 in our Craft Along series, and it is going to be this super cute card. I've been waiting to share this. I just shared my slimline card. I'm going to be real honest with you. This card might be super cute, but that slimline card is going to be my fave. We're going to start with our stickers, a little backwards this time, and you're going to remove the adorable little Frankenstein. He's so cute. And this, frankly, you make me happy. I'm a girl who loves a pun. All right, I have that 2-inch leftover strip of the black dotted paper from when we cut those in from another project. If you can't find this, here. We're using a tiny piece. This will be good enough, okay? Oh, let me show you the other side. Sometimes I'm too fast for my own good. This one will be good enough. Just pick the one that you're like, that's my least favorite, and cut that one out and use that one. You know, just leave some of that black, because we are going to, matter of fact, just cut the smallest piece off. I'm going to take you guys in the wrong direction. All right, I took the sticky off. It has just enough. I'm going to place this on the black piece of paper, just like this. I'm going to try to get it straight, because it is not. It has just enough stick, and now I'm going to shadow cut this out of the black. I'm just doing that. I'm going to cut a little bit more off of this, and then I'm going to go from this corner to the center there, and then this corner to the center there, and then I'll have this shadow cut dovetail, and now I'm going to take them apart so I can put foam tape on them. Okay. I will say the makeup of this dotted paper, it does not like to have things removed from it as a whole, or it could be adhesive. All right, just cutting from the smallest piece you have. Here comes that green to go with our little Frankenstein. Now your card base was included in your kit, but in case you're crafting along and you want to make some of these, this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 card base, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We're going to cover the whole thing. I'm looking at it. You guys know what I'm thinking. I feel like I want the black marker. All right, you can use your ink, and instead of flicking with black ink, you want to just take foam instead of a sponge and rub it along. Foam works great, and you can get foam in so many places, and just throw it away after you use black. That's a tough one. All right, there we go. All right, now this piece here is 4 by 5 1/4, and I cut it out of that purple bats. I love the moon and the stars of the bats with the other layer that we're adding on top, and I just thought it was super cute. Just in case I lay it down, might as well, right? I'm going to leave it right off to the side because I have a feeling I'm going to do them all. Oh, that's going to be perfect. That's just the right amount of green to match our little guy. I have to say, I am not a person who's gravitated to green a lot, but with this kit here, I've been loving doing green backgrounds, and I'm not sure why. All right, this piece here is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. It was off of the smallest piece I had of that star paper, and this was the other side. 3 1/4, 4 1/4. I like that it has the lighter stars and the other colored moons. I thought it was a fun play on having that nighttime, you know, kind of sky go. All right, so this one here is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. I cut that out of a piece of the orange. My orange piece for this was a little bit bigger. I did not have a smaller one, but that doesn't mean you don't. Just go for your smallest piece. You're going to have plenty of materials left over for those of you who are crafting with the kit. This is a white piece, 2 3/4, 2 3/4. All right, out of the diagonal paper, I cut a 1/2 inch across. And I need it to be at least 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 because it's gone right at the bottom, right here. This would be a great place, particularly on this white piece, to add some of the sprays that are part of the Creative Art Challenge in the Creating With You exclusively group. There we go. All right. Just a tiny bit will be peeking around that, and that's going to be perfect. I'm going to put this on here. One of the things I was worried about is how plain this background would look when I put it on, but I wanted all of my little things to stand out. So as I'm looking at it now, I still feel like it might be a little more plain than I would like. There are ways to do it, but I know some of you don't have ink. You could, you know, do a background stamping technique, and you could do those type of things. Just wanted to mention it. I did say I was going to really stick with as many items just from the kit as I could, but wanted to offer that. All right, let's grab our sticker sheet. We're going to decorate this little bag up a little bit. I've taken the sticky off, but there's still a little bit on there. I'm going to go ahead and stand him on that bottom line. And then I'm not going to put him down because he's going to go on foam tape, so I barely touched it. And we're going to decorate the bag around it with these little stickers. I have a little treat bag. I feel like, yeah, I like the treat bag on the left there. And I have a couple of stars just to kind of do a continuation with the stars. There we go. And I have a couple of pieces of candy corn. And he's going to be on foam tape, and one piece of candy corn is also going to be on foam tape. Little piece of candy corn right here. I'm going to let that other one kind of overlap the diagonal. We'll pull our little guy off. And I'm going to rub these on. These had enough sticky on them. What I did was I just tacked them on my fingers a lot doing this. Sometimes I'll stick them on my arm, and then they do lose some of their stick after you do that a bunch of times. So I didn't do any of those stickers with any type of an anti-static pouch or anything like that. Oh, that's too thick. Those arms are really thin. Get some more foam tape here. And we'll do one more for the other one. Okay. There we go, all foam taped up. And we are ready to go. I was thinking I might do the ink on that as well, but I'm going to pass. All right. Now we'll add back in our little guy. He's really cute. And he's just standing on that little line down there, that little 1/2 inch. There we go. That is really cute. All right, our foam taped. My little star came off. Oh, I think when I went to move it, the sticker part stayed on the paper and it just let me split it. Let's just get a dot of glue on that. That is way bigger than I need. I'm going to wipe some of that off. We just need the smallest amount. Okay. I feel like I would like one more little star, but I don't want the star that's in a circle, and I don't know if I have one, but I'm thinking I'd like one kind of tucked behind him. That might be why I don't have an extra one, because I only have the ones on the circle. I'm going to grab the one on the circle and see. It's white on white, so I think it'll be okay. I'm going to tuck that right behind him a little, just so that it looks like I have more stars coming out of that than I do. Just for some layering. Okay. And I'll go ahead and put my piece on. There we go. Cute little shadow created. And we'll put our card together. This one's turning out very cute. Okay, so I have placed my little white panel just using some liquid glue onto the orange piece. I had to go ahead and pop back in on this video and do this little refix because I had lined up my orange piece wrong. The orange background piece, it goes off-centered. So it comes down here to the bottom area, and you're going to kind of frame it around this portion that's at the bottom. Right? I had originally thought it was going in the center, but I'm like, no, it doesn't go there. We can't fit our adorable little pun. Frankly, you make me happy. This gets centered in the space that's left over here at the top. And for the video, I didn't want to put that piece down and then say, oh, okay, let's lift it up again. I had not seen my notes there. So I really like how this is centered, and then we have that off center. And isn't that adorable? So cute. You could definitely hit that with some spray and qualify for an extra point in the Creative Art Challenge with our product spotlight. But I love it. I think it turned out so cute. Frankly, you make me happy. Isn't that adorable? Okay, now for the inside of your card, decorate the inside of your card and do your envelope just like we did in our slimline, but wait till the end of the series. You'll have extra pieces that you can decorate and go back and add a little bit more to these projects, but I definitely think this is a card that needs those extra special touches because it is just so cute. All right, what fun this series has been. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are, maybe you're remaking these projects using your own papers. I would love to see them. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out so much here in the YouTube community. And leave me a comment and tell me what you might like me to see in the future. I'm always looking for ideas on how I can share or teach or show. It just really fills me in just an unbelievable way. I feel so blessed to be able to be on this crafty journey, and I thank all of you for being with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.